Hello cute babies. Today learn alphabet A to Z spelling. First color name. White color, red color, grey color, black color, pink color, sky blue color, brown color, yellow color, purple color, light pink color, blue color, green color, orange color, parrot green color. A for apple. APPLE, apple. Missing alphabet. B for butterfly. BUTTERFLY, butterfly. C for candy. CANDY, candy. Missing alphabet. D for dog. DOG, dog. E for egg. EGG, egg. Missing alphabet. F for fish. FISH, fish. G for grapes. GRAPES, grapes. Missing alphabet. H for house. HOUSE, house. I for ice cream. ICECREAM, ice cream. Missing alphabet. J for jellyfish. JELLYFISH, jellyfish. K for kite. KITE, kite. Missing alphabet. L for ladybug. LADYBUG, ladybug. M for mouse. MOUSE, mouse. Missing alphabet. N for necktie. NECKTIE, necktie. O for orange. ORANGE, orange. Missing alphabet. P for plane. PEPLANE, plane. Q for quail. QUAIL, quail. Missing alphabet. R for raccoon. RACOON, raccoon. S for sheep. SHIP, sheep. Missing alphabet. T for tomato. TOMATO, tomato. U for umbrella. UMBRELLA, umbrella. Missing alphabet. V for volcano. VOLCANO, volcano. W for wolf. WOLF, wolf. Missing alphabet. X for xylophone. XYLOPHONE, xylophone. Y for yo-yo. YOYO, yo-yo. Missing alphabet. Z for zeppelin. ZEPPELIN, zeppelin. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.